Hello and welcome back to the Stackers Social YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unpackaging a very special giveaway piece. Now there's actually two pieces within this package. These have been custom made by Liquid Metals UK. And one of these is going to be given away when Stackers Social, the YouTube channel, hits 1,000 subscribers. And the other one is going to be given away this coming Sunday. So let's get straight into it, and then I'll explain how to enter the giveaway that is coming up on this Sunday. Now these, like I said, were custom made by Liquid Metals UK. I will leave a link to his website in today's video description. I believe he's currently on holiday, so he's not taking any more orders at the moment, but he will be back very, very soon. Oh, these look so good. These have come out so good. Right, okay, so I'm going to show you this one first. So this is a 1 ounce piece. You can see it says 1K on there. And that is because this is the very special piece that will be given away when we hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. It's a hand-poured silver button. It weighs just over 1 ounce. It says Stackers Social, save, stack, protect wealth. And you've got the 1K privy there. So that for now will be added to my backdrop, and I will announce in the future how you can have a chance of winning that piece. Oh, it's going to fall down. Right, we'll just leave it there for now. But this next piece is the one that I really want to focus on, and that is because this giveaway is coming to an end within the next couple of days. This coming Sunday, you will have a chance to win this piece. I will unpackage it so I can showcase it in a little more detail, and as I'm doing that, I'll explain how you can have a chance of winning this. Now, in order to have a chance to win this piece, first of all, you need to be a member within Stackers Social, the Discord server, which I will leave a link for in today's video description. Once you have joined Stackers Social, if you're not a member already, then you need to head down to the giveaway room. And in the giveaway room, you need to post a screenshot or a photo of the proof that you're subscribed to the Stackers Social YouTube channel. Now, once you've done those two things, you will be entered for a chance to win this 1/2 ounce. It says 365 exclusive on there because I myself came up with the design idea, but this is actually from all of us within Stackers Social, and it's a little way of us giving back and at the same time growing the YouTube channel. So like I said, head over to Stackers Social on Discord, head down to the giveaway room, post a screenshot to prove that you're subscribed to this channel here on YouTube, and I will be entering every single person into a giveaway on Sunday. Really, really nice piece, nice and chunky. Those of you that have bought from Liquid Metals in the past, you'll know that although it says a 1/2 ounce on there, it's going to weigh slightly more. And the same with the ounce, it never weighs under, it always weighs slightly over. It's very hard to get it just right when you're custom pouring these pieces. What an incredible design. Really, really cool. And it's just nice. It's a nice way of growing the channel and being able to give back at the same time. And it's a way of thanking everyone for all of their support. I know most people are already subscribed to the YouTube channel, those of you that are active in Stackers Social. But if you're not, or you haven't posted proof that you are, please do that before Sunday to have a chance to win this very, very cool piece of silver. So thanks very much for watching. Just a short video there to showcase the pieces. This will be given away, like I said, when we hit 1,000 subscribers here. And I haven't worked out how to do the giveaway for this piece yet. So yeah, let me know. But this will be done solely through YouTube. This is the one that's being done through Discord. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you're not already. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.